Hello student, I am Divyoti Ponna, lecturer in physics. Today I am going to tell you about speed and different types of speed. So speed is the rate of change of position of an object with time in any direction is called speed. So rate of change of position of an object with time in any direction is called speed, or you can say the speed is the distance traveled by an object per unit time. Okay, so the formula of speed is distance traveled by time taken. Speed can be denoted by small v, distance can be denoted by small s, time is denoted by small t. So speed is distance by time. Then speed has only magnitude and no direction. So this is scalar quantity. Scalar quantity have no direction, but it has magnitude. Also, the distance traveled by an object is either positive or zero. So the speed may be positive or zero, but never negative. Okay. The SI unit of speed is meter second universe, or the MKS unit of speed is meter second universe. The CGS unit of speed is centimeter second universe. The dimensional formula of speed is m0 l1 t minus 1, where m is mass, l is length, t is time. Then different types of speed. First is uniform speed. If an object covers equal distance in equal interval of time, then the object is moving with uniform speed. Let an object is moving and covering some distances s1 and s2 with time interval t1 and t2. Then the object can be said to be moving with uniform speed if s1 equal to s2 and t1 equal to t2. If the time interval same and the distances traveled by the object are same, then you can say the body is moving with uniform speed. That means at every interval of time the body is having same speed. Okay. Then variable speed. If an object is moving and covering unequal distances in equal interval of time, then you can say the body is undergoing variable speed. So let an object is moving and covering some distances s1 and s2 and time interval t1 and t2. Then the object can be said to be moving with uniform speed if s1 is not equal to s2 and t1 equal to t2. So the distances covered are unequal but time taken are equal. Then average speed. When an object is moving with variable speed, the average speed is the ratio of total distance traveled by total time taken. Okay, so this is the formula to calculate the average speed. Average speed is total distances traveled by total time taken. Okay, then average speed with different situation. The first situation is a body is covering different distance with different speed. The body is covering different distance, different speed means we know about the distance covered and the speed, but we have no idea about the time taken. As we have no idea about the time taken, so time can be converted into distance by the formula s by v, because v equal to s by t. This can be converted time into s by v. So let s1 s2 s3 s4 are the let s1 s2 s3 s4 s5 are the distance covered with the speed v1 v2 v3 v4 dot dot dot. That means continuing, it is continuing respectively. So v1 v2 are the corresponding velocity to s1 s2, v4 v5 are the corresponding velocity to the distance covered s3 s4, okay, respectively. Then the average speed v average will be total distance traveled by total time taken. Total distance traveled are s1 plus s2 plus s3 plus dot dot dot. Total time taken is t1 plus t2 plus t3 plus dot dot dot. Then v average is s1 plus s2 plus s3 dot 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 by s1 by t1, s1 by v1 So T1 can be written as S1 by V1 plus T2 can be written as S2 by V2 plus T3 can be written as S3 by V3. So V average is S1 plus S2 plus S3 by S1 by V1 plus S2 by V2 plus S3 by V3 plus dot dot dot. Dot 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 means it is continuing up to Sn by Vn. Okay. Then special case, if S1 and S2 both are having same value, that is S, then the average speed can be calculated by V average is equal to S1 plus S2 by S1 by V1 plus S2 by V2. Then V average equal to S1 plus S2 by S1 by V1 plus S2 by V2. Then V average is right S in place of S1 and S2. Then we will get V average equal to S plus S by V1 plus S by V2. Then V average equal to 2S by S कॉमन ले लिया हम लोग 1 by V1 plus 1 by V2. Then this can be written as 2V1 V2 by V1 plus V2 by simplifying this step. So the average speed is the harmonic mean of the individual speed. Then the second situation is the body is moving with different speed in different time interval. That means we know about the speed and we know about the time interval, but we have no idea about the distance covered. So here in this case we have to convert the distance in the form of V and T. So V equal to S by T. Then distance covered can be written as S equal to VT, V to T. Okay, suppose the body is moving with different speed V1 plus V2 plus V1 V2 V3 V4 V5 up to Vn in time interval T1 T2 T3 T4 up to Tn respectively. Then average speed will be total distance travel or total time taken. So total distance travel is S1 plus S2 plus S3 dot 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 by total time taken is T1 plus T2 plus T3. So S1 can be written as V1 T1, S2 can be written as V2 T2, S3 can be written as V3 T3. So V average is V1 T1 plus V2 T2 plus V3 T3 plus dot 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 by T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus dot 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 up to Tn. Then special case, if T1 plus T1 equal to T2 up to Tn are having same value as T, say, then V average equal to V1 T plus V2 T plus V3 T plus dot 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 plus Vn T. Vn is the nth velocity. Okay, then take T common, we will get V average equal to T bracket start V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus dot 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 plus Vn bracket close by Nt. Then T will be cancel out. Then we will get V average equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus V5 plus V4 plus V6 plus V7 plus V8 plus dot 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 up to Vn. So then by n. So we can say the average speed is the arithmetic mean of the individual speed. Then instantaneous speed. Instantaneous speed is speed of an object at any particular instant of time or at the point of its path. So at any moment, if we calculate the speed of the body, then that speed is called instantaneous speed. Suppose a body covering a small distance del x in a small interval of time del t around the instant t, then its average speed is del x by del t. Then the limiting value of this average speed when the time interval del t approaches 0 gives the instantaneous speed at the instant t. Thus instantaneous speed is V limit, take limit of del x by del t with limit del t approach 0, V limit del t tends to 0 del x by del t. This can be written as del dx by dt. Here dx by dt is the first order derivative because the power is d to the power 1. Dx by dt is first order derivative of distance x with respect to time. If it was written like del square x by del t square, in this case it is second order हो जाएगा because square are there. If d3x by dt cube, then it is called third order. Okay, Then the for a real life example, we will take the speedometer of an automobile indicates the instantaneous speed at any instant. So this is all about speed and types of speed. Okay, thank you.